This is again Abud Mohammed Combo showing the view on the top of the house, how Lamu look like from the seafront. One of the top in the building, checking this area is called Langoni. Langoni means a way to get out. It's a door. Lango means a big door. So Langoni was those time is the place, is a way that you finish the town, you go to Shela and other part of Lamu. See, and here is one of the guest houses called Olympic Guest House, and this is the seafront. This is the seafront streets. As I told you, this is Harambee Street. Now this is Kenyatta Avenue. That was named due after when we got the independence in '63. This is how it looked like. How people are enjoying the day. This is a motorbike now. When you want to go to Shela, you can either take a boat or a motorcycle. And there is Shela within Lamu Island, and the next island we call it Kitau Manda Beach. There's so many, guest hotels around there. And there is airstrip in Lamu. Once when you come by flight or by air, you land in Manda Island airstrip. Then you cross by boat to get into Lamu Island. Here we are. Welcome to Lamu, and meet a tour guide who will show you all the historical sites and all the places you wish to see. Walk with us.